Today we return to Gale Woods Farm, this time to take the Whaletail Lake Trail. It's a down and back that is approximately a mile, with an elevation gain of about 55 feet. The trail took us about a half an hour to complete and is open to the sun for its entirety. This trail can easily be tacked onto the farm loop trail, bringing the total mileage to about 3 miles if you're adventurous enough. The trail begins right by the farm store. There's a little concentration of trails, one leading into different directions. The trail itself is the larger road, like the one on the right. It passed by some sheep, same as the farm loop trail, as they share the first leg of the trail. After a short walk past the sheep, the trail turns left, and then you walk between the pastures on the hill to the left and the wetlands to the right. There was a single cow on the hill, with the sun right behind him looking down at me as I passed. This segment of the trail is quite open to that sun, with nearly no shade to speak of. There's a picnic table on the halfway point down the trail, which you could pause for a moment and watch the animals in the pasture, or just enjoy the beautiful weather. The final section of the trail winds around a small hill and brings you out to a dock that goes out on Whaletail Lake. You may notice there are also canoes on racks down by the lake. You're able to rent them and take them out onto the lake for a modest rental fee if you so desire. We didn't have time for that today, but might consider it another time as the lake was beautiful. On the return trip, I was fortunate to see a small-sized gardener snake sunning itself on the path. I took a moment to enjoy the sighting before continuing onward without disturbing the snake further. It's always nice to see different kinds of wildlife, but I feel like since I hike midday, I usually see snakes. Well, and the occasional deer. My favorite part of this trail is by far the dock. It was a windy day, which made it a little chilly, but it made some significant waves out on the lake and rocked the dock slightly. The dock goes out far enough, and because of its position on the lake, you can really get a good view of most of it. I always like that classic Minnesota lake dock on any trail, and this kind of encapsulates it perfectly, even having a similar style and design to a lot of the docks I've walked on for various trails. So this was definitely the highlight of the trail for me. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this hike, hit the like button. If you'd like to follow us as we explore local trails across the country, hit that subscribe button.